perfect side kick. Let's get to it. Today, we're going to work on a side kick. Okay, so I want to explain something to everybody out there right now that's watching. Side kicks do not need to be high. They do not need to be head level, 6 foot, 7 foot tall, kiss your knee as your, legs coming up. That doesn't need to happen. All right. So here's a little hard truth that martial artists need to, I think, bring more to the general public, so it doesn't look so scary for new people to come into martial arts. All right. Side kicks just need to be from your hip out. That is it. If you can get a little higher, maybe chest level, that's okay. We can work up to that. But right now, even low kicks, knee would be good, because if you drop the knees down, the whole body's coming down with it. It's just a truth, a fact about how our body is structured. Our legs hold up our body. If we knock those legs out, then they're going to the ground. Okay, so I'm just going to we're working on just straight hip, right off the hip. All right, so point of contact is our heel. So we want that heel, that foot to be stretched back. And then we want that heel to be the point of target, and our target's right at the solar plex right now. Okay, we're working on Bob, because Bob makes a great dummy. All right, so we're going to start in our middle stance. As always, we're going to slide up with our back foot. I'm going to start with the right foot first. We're going to bring it straight up, and this is called a chamber. Okay, let me go onto the other side. This is called a chamber right here. Okay, our foot is in a chambered position, and then we're going to stretch it out, and then our point, the target is going to be solar plex, and our foot, our heel, is going to be the point of the spear. All right, that's what's coming. So we got to turn those our ankle back, toes back, and let's hit with that heel. All right, so this is how it goes here, right like that, as simple as that. Okay, let's try it again. Right there. Okay, so if you don't have a Bob, go ahead and we'll just do it nice and easy in the air and down. So it's a chamber, kick, rechamber, down. Okay, nice and easy. Slide up, chamber, kick, rechamber, down. Pretty simple. Okay, I'll do it on the other side here. Slide up, chamber, kick, rechamber, down. I'm a little rusty. Haven't been working out all that much, so I'm a little bit off balance. Slide up, knee up, kick, rechamber, and then down, and then back into our sparring stance. We can get back into this, bam, bam, bam. Finish it up with 3 other techniques: punch, elbow strike, horizontal, or vertical, horizontal, all kinds of cool stuff we can do with that. All right, go ahead and rewatch this one if you need to. Comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.